There's the tree that I liked, or that I like, and because this snow was light, yeah, I kind of pulled off into a drift there and had to put it into four-wheel drive to get out. But then again, I used the four-wheel drive just to make it life easy and not have to abuse this thing. But this is the same road I drove on the first little thing I put up, which was like the pre-storm or mid-storm, etc., etc. And you see, we still got people doing what has to be done to get rid of this mess. Because, well, snow can come in a variety of formats, I guess is the way to word it. It can be wet and very heavy, or it can be dry and very light. And that's actually what the skiers like. That's called powder, and it blows all over the place. But it also doesn't stick to anything. When I went to dig out my pickup, I had a ring around the pickup that had no snow on it, no snow underneath it, and yet really the only thing I had to get through was what the snowplow had plowed up alongside it. And a friend of mine dug that part of it out for me enough so that I could hold the thing out. But there was no snow underneath it. I was parked next to a trailer that hasn't been set in place yet and just sitting on blocks, no skirts, nothing hooked up to it or anything. There was virtually no snow underneath it. And that's because the wind was just blowing it all over the place. But I mean, you can see the size of the banks there, you know, that's all from one storm. And here you got the snow up on the tree there, that's from a people's snowblower, where they were chewing it up and sort of melting it down and blasting it up in the air there. But we had about 25 inches here. You go a little further north and they were talking up into the 32s, 34 inches. And we're kind of bouncy around here because I have to keep getting off onto the snowbank on the side to make sure there's enough room to get by the cars coming on. Oncoming cars, I guess is the way it's worded. I guess you don't really need to see pictures of the A column on the front door of the pickup there. I tried this picture yesterday, like 25 hours after the storm ended, and I thought I was getting pictures, but I didn't, so I came back today, which is like 48 hours after the storm ended. The only big difference is that now you can see pavement, whereas yesterday there was still snow on the pavement. Normally speaking, this would be almost a full winter's worth of snow. And it was, what, 24, 25 inches in 24 hours. this is where I ended the other day with the scene over here, and that's where I'm going to end today.